young dancehall sensation whose talent is leaving the genre gurus green with envy. Showbiz up next.
11-year-old Tanyara Warota has taken the Zim dancehall world by storm, with her lyrics earning her fame in contemporary music circles. Let's get more.
Mrewa district, which is home to internationally recognized dance, Jerusalem Mbende has done it again, this time unleashing an 11-year-old Zim dancehall sensation, Tanyara Warota, known as Fire Lady in the Zim dancehall circles. The young grade 6 pupil at Tota Primary School passes for just another rural primary school girl, but she has defied that status by a new career as a Zim dancehall queen.
Donza kamshin inini ndo atendereza brain kupinda kwangu anodaini
Staying with her grandmother in Rota village, Fire Lady is to her grandmother just one of her grandchildren who deserves good upbringing, prioritizing schoolwork and discipline.
Tochika na ale madesi chikora ndite zvipimba asikana pari pa holidays ndo pandeni chitazvipimba nekuti ndisina basa machikora.
The ZBC News crew caught up with her at a rural home as she was just arriving from school with her satchel, making it difficult for anyone to recognize the music heroine in her. Her biggest appeal is to have instruments to use for her shows and to record her music.
Chandoda ubatsirwa nacho ma instrument.
Her uncle Fungai Rota, who is also known as Mango in the music circles, and discovered her niece's abundant talent, echoed Tanyara's appeal for instruments and a professional manager as key needs if they are to realize her full potential.
Trumboto kana chidatsvaga promoto anotisimudzira pabasa redu.
Her grandmother, Gogo Ingwerata Rota, confessed she almost stopped her granddaughter from continuing with the music business as she felt it was distracting her from her schoolwork.
Pakuimba kwangu ari kuita ndenda tozviramba ngokuti warigawo kuimba nokuti pasina chinowabatsira.
Fire Lady sings under the stable Fire Zone family, which has 7 other musicians, including Mango. In 2016, she won an award at the Zim dancehall competition at the City Sports Center. Fire Lady has so far recorded more than 20 songs and a few videos. Some of her popular songs include Dirindega, Amusati Mandiziwa, and Musabate Vanachibaro. Gerald ZBC News, Rota Village, Murewa.
The end of the rainy season has seen the rise in live shows, much to the appreciation of revelers at various spots in Harare.